let's understand about custom navigation tabs in Power BI. So for that we are creating a new page here first, and I am copying the side I can say navigation bar, and I just put it on the first page, which is page here, and let's make it up to the size of 100, because these sizes are also 100 for these pages. Now what we need to do is going to create the icons. If we click on those icons, it will redirect us to different tabs, just like location tab, product dashboard, customer dashboard, and summary dashboard. For that we will go to insert. Inside insert we'll go to buttons and we'll choose a blank button. This is a blank button, and we just double click on this blank button and the format option will show up here. Inside that, let's go to the button style. In the button style you can see that we can add the icons here, right, or we can add some shapes. So the shapes are already here, but we need to just select the icon. So we go to icon, and inside the icon there is an option of custom icon. So we click on that and we can select the image. So these are the images of our icon. First image we will be selecting is as this white house, which will be like this. And once we have selected that, you can see that right now we are on a default state, so this is showing as a white color here. However, let's make it little smaller first. Yeah. However, if we click on a hover style, on hover we want to change the color of this white house so that it looks like that we are hovering over it. So we go on that and let's change the image here, and the image right now is this color. So when you hover over it, you can see the color is getting changed for this particular icon based upon that. Now let's double click on that again, and let's go to the action. So we assign some action to it, so we on the action button. After that, this is asking for which type of action. So we want to create a page navigation, and inside the page navigation this home icon will be our summary dashboard. So we select the destination, which is our summary dashboard here, and when we done that, let's click on control and left click. So when we do that, you can see we have reached to our summary dashboard. If we go to our page 1 here again, and let's do one thing, let's copy these again 4 times so that we can navigate to all of our 4 pages. So this is our second, this is our third icon, and let's make one more copy. Okay, now let's go and align them first. So let's go to the page here, and we have selected, wait for a second, yes, yeah, now those 4 have been selected. Let's go to format. Inside format, let's go to align, and we want to align them how. So there are options. So we want to firstly distribute them vertically so that gap between all of them is correct, and then we want to align them. So we can align them on I can say middle. So if we do that, this will be shown on a clustered area, but we don't want that. So instead of aligning it on middle, I press Ctrl Z. We need to align them in center. So these are aligned now in center, so these are correct now. Now let's change the icons here. So this was the first home icon. After home icon, let's go to our firstly button style, and on the button style let's go to default first, and on the default the image should be for our customers. So these are our customers, white color is customer. After this white color, if we need to I can say on hover we want to change the color. So on hover we need to select the icon which is of our highlighted customer. Now this is getting updated, and inside that action we need to assign it to go to I can say the customer dashboard tab. So inside the page navigation we need to select, instead of summary dashboard, we need to select the customer dashboard. So that has been done and this should work fine. Let's go to our third icon and change them as well quickly. So on default state I have selected that, and inside that default state we can go on this image, and this image is for our product tab. So this is our product, and inside that on hover we need to update that. So let's select on hover how it will perform, and now on hover we need to update the image as well. So we go here and we selected this image. Now this will also get updated. So you can see that these are getting highlighted based upon selection. And finally let's go to our location tab, and on our location we need to first get the default image. So this is our default, and let's go and select the image for default. So this is our white color image here, and on hover we want to update it. So we have selected on hover, and in this hover what we can do, we can go here and just select the icon of country, or not the country, the location. So all those have been selected. If I do a control and click, you can see that this is going to the customer summary, or I can say summary dashboard here. So I need to update the navigation for them as well. I have missed to update them. So let's go to navigation. So instead of summary dashboard we want it to reach to location. Like this is the product, and inside that product we need to go to product dashboard, and the second one was our customers, which we have already updated, but let's go and check it once. So this is our customer dashboard. Now if we click on, let's suppose product dashboard here, we'll be reaching to our product dashboard. Now this is working fine. Let's do one thing. Let's select all the objects here and let's create a copy for them. Or instead of selecting all the objects, let's go and select these 4, I can say, icons, and let's make a group of them. So we have clicked on all of 4. We do a right click and we can say and click them as a group. Now these have been grouped together. We have copied it, and now I came to summary dashboard. I did a control V, which is paste. Similarly I come to customer dashboard, and here I am not showing the strip on the left, so that is fine. On the product dashboard as well, left I can say strip is not showing, and location dashboard I am not showing the strip here as well. So if we want to show the strips here as well, we can create it on the left and we can use those icons. But from the summary dashboard, let's suppose if we want to go to our I can say location. So I click on this location and I do a control click, and when I do, I reach to the location tab here. So this is a very used way of creating the navigation buttons inside Power BI. I hope you understood this. Now this page button is not used for me at the moment, so I delete it and we are done with that. So thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next sessions.